The bedroom air conditioner has clogged. All water sloshing around in there. I don't like that because primarily it just ends up rotting the coil. It's also very loud and makes the thing twice as noisy as it needs to be. And those things are already plenty noisy, so we don't need to make it any worse. I'll go out the other way because the ladder I need is in the garage. Now this is probably an indicator that the thing needs to be cleaned. If there's enough dirt in there that it's blocking a hole, then it probably needs to be cleaned. But what is it, August 24, somewhere in there, late August. So within a month, heat's gonna be on. So I'm not tearing it apart now. I like to take it apart before I put it away. You know, clean it, dry it out good, and then put it away clean and dry so that it's not dirty, and then it's clean and ready to go for the winter. I mean, oh yeah, it's clean for the winter, it's clean for the spring. Alright, so we'll use this ladder. You can hear that stinking thing sloshing from all the way in here. It's definitely not, that's ridiculous. What a stupid design. It's a stupid design that never should have been a thing. Yet it's all over air conditioners everywhere for the last several decades. Even going way back, like you'll go back to the 50s, and there's still units that got that stupid design. Been going on for ages. See if I can get a flashing light here. I like to put this light on because then the bugs just get in there. As you put this light on, and it's not quite so bad. Here we go. Nice incandescence flashlight. Yep, the drain hole is doing nothing. Alright, it's definitely clogged. I haven't used this ladder in a while. Quite frankly, I'm forgetting how it works. Somehow it converts into an A-frame. Is it locked down here somewhere? I'm trying to figure out how to place this so that I don't get soaked when I unclog it. I guess if I keep it just a couple inches away, it should be fine. And of course, if this was a vintage air conditioner, it probably wouldn't be clogging, but it's not. Next year it will be. I'll screw them out to the house and then I'll be able to use a vintage one. I just don't trust these windows. I had the carrier in there for a couple days, but it wasn't sitting well with me. Need a little twig or something. My yard is too clean. Can't find anything. Here we go. Use something like this. Just to stick in there to unclog it. Yeah, a lot of water in there. See, this is not really a supporting structure. You can't rest the machine on here, so I got to screw a stand into the house here, and then I can support it off of that. Okay, that's more normal now, or at least the way that I want it to be. And we're still getting good airflow out of here, so I don't think it's that dirty. Yeah, good airflow all around. So I think it's still relatively clean. Probably just got a leaf or something in there. That's good. It's draining out again. That's how I want it to be. And I just kind of put this here so it's not dripping onto the foundation and creating a hole. Okay, that was easy. It sure is nice when things are easy. And it sure is rare. Grab my flashing light first, because my non-existent memory span will forget about it by the time I put the ladder away. That's almost full. Then I'm going to be told that it's empty by the machine, because somehow in China that makes sense. Okay, that solves that problem. It is cold enough in here. I'll turn that off. And we're good. In fact, I think we'll just lock up for the night because I don't expect to be going back in here. The dehumidifier can run all night because it's damp. Very damp. Okay. That's dripping again. Sounds much quieter from the outside. I'll just go and confirm on the inside. Much better. That is significantly less noise than there was before.